grass saying, do not grow yet.
Do not grow.
I've got other things to do.
Oh my God.
Yes,
yeah, no
you
kidding.
do.
You've got other yards
stuff
to
on your
clear
list.
first, right? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, I mean, thankfully no snow in this forecast. We do
Good.
actually warm up. Of course, good. But we do actually warm up today. And at face value, minus the wind, this is a really good looking day. The problem is we have the wind. That'll be an issue for us here. It's not a damaging wind, but it's one you really notice because this coastal storm that did perform as anticipated is pulling away really quickly here. I mean, this is now at this point basically clear of even Long Island. So we are back to full sunshine today. And as we see that storm exit and high pressure attempt to take its place, we unfortunately also have to deal with the wind in between those two pressure systems. Now, it doesn't look like very much off of the distance here, but back over Nebraska, parts of the Central Plains just in general, the next disturbance is waiting in the wings, or at least starting to emerge, and eventually it'll be an impact here too. So that first storm is long gone, high pressure in its place briefly before another system starts to come along. And this is more just going to be a couple of pieces of energy rather than an organized storm system, but Friday is a day that I would suggest you walk out the door with your umbrella. It's not a drenching heavy rain, but it will be a damp and unsettled day. Now let's back up, talk about today and that red flag warning that we had mentioned. So this basically just means your fire risk is elevated. The weather does not cause fires. That's obvious. However, it can really make a problem worse when you have open flame that can get out of hand really quickly. So it's all common sense. Make sure that you're being extra cautious with cigarette butts, minding the grill if that's something that you're planning on doing. Just don't be very careful with open flame is the bottom line here. Watching for showers, though, to arrive again Thursday night into Friday. Chandler? All right.